You're watching Twinneration X.
Welcome back to Twinneration X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I have Ipsy, but we're doing back-to-back videos with Ipsy Boxy Charm.
We don't know what order I'm going to put these up in yet, and it's really late at night, so I'll probably be posting one of these tomorrow, hopefully. And in each video, you'll see I'm wearing like this little plastic device here, which is a heart rate monitor. So it's water resistant, so I can take showers with it, but I can't go swimming for a week just to check out my heart and make sure it's okay. Okay, so this time Ipsy had two things outside of the bag. Actually, it's technically three things. This is LexiBeauty.com. I almost want to keep this one, just kind of for a blender brush. If you can see that. I'm not holding it too high, too low. I almost want to keep it. I mean, I usually put them in a giveaway, but maybe that one. One of these I might put in a giveaway. The British Rose Hydrating Mask, Huang Jisoo, if I'm saying that right. And then Shea Butter Nourishing Mask. I mean, I do like to wear masks when I can, but I don't know if I'll use those or not. If you could so kindly hold those. My hair is like half wet, so if it looks like crap, that's why. We just decided to take it down. This is actually kind of cute. That's funny. That's how I wanted to have my nails. I wanted little palm trees on my nails. I'm going to get them done tomorrow. Hopefully. It's a little airplane. That's totally cute too. Yeah, hopefully. We're not really supposed to have salons open, but I think my person just doesn't see that many people and keeps it on the down low. But yeah, so I don't think I'll get the palm trees though, because I just won't. So I'll just get orange or something. This is July 2020. Take a break. Airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag Ipsy. Take a break. And then it says your glam bag packing list. I thought I said that right, but I almost feel like I didn't. But there's that. And then so the other few items I have, just the other three. I thought I wasn't going to like this one, but I don't know if I knew what I was getting or not. This is, I think this is what I wanted when I got a choice. Perlice's Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30. We like the SPF.
If I pick that, I keep thinking I picked like a CC cream. I don't know. I'm just tripping, I guess.
It's close. It's a BB cream.
I know. I was like, and then REP, Real Elemental Practice. It looks like regarding P. Phytocell Moisture,
Kaika, I don't know.
All-in-one serum. That's cute. I love serum. So there's that.
I gotta find out how to say some of these words.
And then I don't know if this is gonna have. Oh man, no, then I don't want it. Okay, 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. If it was like some color, I think Benefit was one of my favorite ones. I used to use all the time. But if it's invisible, I don't have like that thick of eyebrows to really tame. I wish I did. Believe me, there's a lot of pretty. Yeah, it's invisible. So that was it for this little bag. I think the bag was totally cute though, so go Ipsy. If this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Know about our future giveaways like the one I will link below. We're picking a winner for that in a short time here, and we'll catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.